Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Temi, and in today's video we are going to be cutting and sewing this beautiful 8-panel dress displaying on the screen. It's kind of a fit and flare dress. It's very comfortable and beginner friendly. So if this is what you are interested in, you need to keep on watching. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button and let's get right into today's video. So in this video, we're going to be making use of the basic bodice we drew earlier. I'll be putting the thumbnail on the screen. I extended the dark leg to have a princess style line on both the front and on the back pattern paper. I also extended the dark leg from the waistline down to the hem of the pattern paper. I separated the panel pieces front and back, cut through the panel lines and cut out the darts. Then labeled the pattern piece to avoid making a mistake. I made use of 4 yards Ankara fabric. Position the fabric properly, check if there is up and down design before cutting. Now I folded the fabric into two. For this particular dress, I used 3 inches for flare and 0.5 inches sewing allowance. Sorry guys, the first pattern I placed it wrongly, but I later cut out another piece for the front because I need an 8-piece pattern. The way I placed it was for 6-piece pattern dress. I extended the length of my dress to make it longer. So now for the 8-panel dress, we will add flare to all the sides of the panel, including the center front and the center back line, and cut out the pattern piece. Basically, you do the same thing for all the pattern piece. Extend the length if it's not long enough, and also add the flare allowance at the hem and then 0.5 sewing allowance at the sides. I balance the hem by going up 1.5 inch from the side front side seam and side back side seam. So this is all we have: the center front, the side front, the center back, the side back. I'm going to remove the pattern paper. I will separate them from the fabric. So now I have pinned the center front together to enable me sew it, because remember I said for 8 panel dress, the center front will also have flay. I also pinned the side front to the center front pattern. For the back pattern, I also pinned the side back to the center back pattern piece. Now I have sewn the panels together. For the front and back, I'll also place the back panel together with the front and sew them together on the side seams. Now I added the bias tape I made with the fabric to finish up the neckline and the armhole to create that flawless finish. Then I went ahead to add the zipper to the dress to finish it up. And this is the final dress. This dress is very simple and beginner friendly. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.